Kirsten, what's in your basket?
Oh, here you go.
Is that a cupboard?
Howdy.
Okay, I'll hold on to it. What else is in there? A bunny?
Oh,
What's that? What is it?
She's done.
Oh, here. There you go. What is that?
She got me
Oh.
my cup.
Oh, you need your cover for your baby. Aww. Kirsten, can you look at Mama?
She looked at my bag.
Oh, you're ready to play now, huh? Kirsten, happy Easter. Oh, is the baby sleeping? Okay. Kirsten, I love you. Love you. What's that?
Oh, what's the rope?
What is this?
Oh, what's the cat want?
What is it?
That's what you want.
Oh, leave it alone. Okay. Love you.